Let's go to page 542 and start with number 1. Okay, so this problem is to solve the triangle. So whenever you're solving for a triangle, what you want to do is just go and write down your ABC. That way you can keep track of everything. Okay, so the angles and the length. And you also want to draw the triangle so you can kind of keep track. Right, and small a is facing the big A, small b facing the big B, small c facing the big C. Okay, so go and write down the given. So you got A is 28.6 degree and C is equal to 145. Okay, and because it's a right triangle, so C, the angle C is going to be 90 degrees. Okay, then what you want to do is you can figure out your angle B right away. Okay, because angle A and B are complementary angles, so you just use 90 minus 28.6. This will give you 61.4 degrees. Okay. Then after that, you probably can write this over here. It helps you to visualize. So to figure out the A, okay, so to do this, what you do is look at what's given and what you're looking for. You're looking for A, and this is given, so you have to use A and the C. And then from there you figure out what function is this. So this and these two would be your sine function. So write down sine of angle A is equal to A over C. Okay, write down your formula first. Then you substitute everything. Okay, so you got sine of 28.6 degrees equal to A over 145. Then you go and cross multiply. Okay, so you got A is equal to 145 times sine of 28.6 degrees. Okay, and then after you're ready to figure out your answer. And for the calculator, I kind of like to go backward. Okay, so that 28.6. Make sure this is in degree mode. Okay, and push sine, and so that is this over here. Then you times it by 145, and this will give you 69. And since this is 3 digits, so let's go and use 3 significant figures. So let's go 69.4. Okay. So A equal to 69.4. Now to find B, okay, you can use Pythagorean Theorem, A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. However, I don't recommend it because this is already approximation because you already chop off some digits already, and you use that to get this answer. This answer is going to be probably going off even more. Okay. So to get more exact answer, you probably want to use directly what is giving. So this one you're going to use cosine. So cosine of A will equal to B over C. Right? Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse. And you substitute things in. So you got cosine of 28.6 degrees equal to B over 145. Okay. You can cross multiply. Okay, so you got B equal to 145 cosine of 28.6 degrees. Okay, and again you're ready to do the calculation. So 28.6, this one you have to do cosine, and then you times it by 145 equal. So B equal to 127. Okay, and you put one over here. So you can get all your information over here. So that way you can keep track of what you have and what you need to get. So again, whenever it's solving, you have to get all the ABC angles and the side ABC. Okay, number 3. So it's going to be the same thing. Okay, so A, B, C, and small a, small b, small c. Okay, it's very quick. Okay, write down what's given. So B is 71.5. degrees, and remember the degree, right? And A is 1.82. Okay, again, angle C is always equal to 90 degrees. Then we can use 90. So again, these two have to be 90 degrees. So use 90 minus that. Okay, so 90 minus 71.5 equal 18.5 degrees. Okay, and now we're ready to do the other two. Okay. So to find B, okay, So to find b, I can use, so look at what you need to get and look what's giving. So looking for b, and this is giving. So these two would be tangent, right? Okay, so write down tangent a equal to a over b. Okay, and then after that you substitute. So tangent of 18.5 degrees equal to 1.82 over b. Okay, then what you're going to do is you're going to cross multiply. Okay, and you're going to divide. Okay, so you got 1.82 divided by 18.5 degrees tangent equal, so b equal to 5.44. Okay, so let's put over here 5.44. Okay, now we can do the c. Okay, so this is equal to 5.44. To find c, again, this is given already, so this 2 would be the sine function. Okay, so sine a equal to a over c. Again, always write down your formula, then you substitute. Okay, so sine of 18.5 degrees equal to 1.82 over c. Okay, so you can cross multiply. Okay, and then you divide this over to get rid of it, so c equal to 1.82 over sine of 18.5 degrees. So c equal to, okay, get the calculator and then work it out. So 1.82 divided by 18.5 sine equal 5.74. Okay, so 5.74. Okay, and so this would be your answer. Okay, so again, when they say solve for a triangle, means you're looking for all three angles and all three sides. Okay, okay, let's go to number 5. Okay, so you got A, B, C, and you have the A, B, C, and you have the triangle. Okay, so angle B is 47.7 degrees, and small b is 83.6. Okay, so again, angle C is going to be 90 degrees, and so we can find angle A. So again, A and B are supplementary, so 90 minus 47.7 equal to 42.3. Again, these two have to equal to 90, right? Okay, so now we can go ahead and find A. So A, so this is what you're looking for, and this is what it's giving, okay? So these two will be the tangent. So do the tangent A equal to A over B. Substitute in the number, so tangent of 42.3 degrees equal to A over B is 83.6. So cross multiply. This is like over 1. So when you cross multiply, you got A times 1, so you got A. Okay, and cross multiply this way, you got 83.6 tangent of 42.3 degrees. Again, remember to write your degree. Okay, then get your calculator. Okay, for this I like to work backward. Okay, so 42.3 tangent times 83.6 equal 76.1. Okay, so put over here, so 76.1. And then now you have to look for C. Again, by looking at this, you can see what you're missing. Okay, so that way to make sure you got everything. So you're missing C. Okay, so you're looking for C, and this is giving. So that means this is your cosine function. Okay, so you have to use cosine of A equal to B over C. Okay, and then put in the numbers again. Always write down your formula, and then it will cut down a lot of mistakes. Okay, so cosine of 42.3 degrees equal to 83.6 over c. Okay, and then go and cross multiply. So c cosine of 42.3 degrees equal to 83.6. Divide, so you got c equal to 83.6 over cosine of 42.3 degrees. Okay, so get your calculator. So 83.6 divided by 42.3 degrees cosine, push equal. So c equal to 113. Okay. Again, you want to get to 3 digits. Okay, so 113. And so this is it. Okay. Okay, let's go to 7. Okay, number 7. And A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, the small a is 460, small c is 640. Okay. So a equal to 460 and b equal, okay, c equal to 640. Okay, so first thing we can do is we can use Pythagorean Theorem to find b, so let's go and do that. We also can find c, right? C is 90 degrees. Okay, so let's use the Pythagorean Theorem to find b. Or you can, yeah, that's probably faster. Okay, so a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. Okay, so put your numbers in there. So 460 squared plus b squared equal to 640 squared. Okay, so b squared equal to 640 squared minus 460 squared. Okay, okay, so get your calculator. Okay, so you got 640 squared minus 460 squared equal. Okay, so we got 198000. So b equal to, again, now from here take the square root. So don't erase, okay, just take the square root. You get 445. Okay, so b equal to 445. Okay, so now we can go and look for let's look for the angle A. Okay, and so right now you got all 3 numbers, right? But remember, this one is kind of calculated, so it's off a little bit. These 2 are giving. Okay, so a and c are giving, so we're going to use a and c. So a and c is your sine function, so you're going to get sine a equal to a over c. Okay, so sine a equal to 460 over 640. So sine a equal to, so get your calculator. So you got 460 divided by 640 equal. So you can write down your decimals with 0.71875. And to find the angle, you have to go second function, so second sine. So second sine of that will give you 45.95. So when you put it down, you want to put down, when you run it off, it will give you 46 degrees. Okay, so A is 46 degrees. Okay, and well, since you want 3 digits, so you can get 46.0. Okay, then from B, all you have to just use 90 minus 46 will give you 44. Okay, and that's it. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, again, when you're solving for triangle, you just get your ABC and get your triangle. So A, B, C. So A, B, C. Okay, so right away we know that angle C is 90 degrees. Okay, and what else is giving? A is equal to 0.145 and B equal to 0.325. Right? Since the two sides are giving, again, you can use Pythagorean Theorem. So A squared plus B squared equal to C squared. So you got 0.145 squared plus 0.325 squared equal to C squared. So C squared equal to, okay, get your calculator, work it out. So 0.145 squared plus 0.325 squared equal. So you got 0.12665. So C equal to, again, don't erase, just go and push the square root button. You get 0.3558 and run it out to 356. Okay. Okay, so these two are giving, and this is calculated. So this is off a little bit already. So we try to avoid using it if possible. Okay. Again, let's go and look for angle A. Okay. So since these two are giving, so these are exact numbers, and looking for angle A. So relationship between these two would be tangent. Okay. So tangent of angle A will equal to A over B. Okay. So tangent of angle A equal to 0.145. Okay, over 0.325. Okay. So tangent A equal to, okay, get your calculator, 0.145 divided by 0.325, push equal, so they give you 0.44615, whatever. Okay, again, now do not erase. Okay, just use that number, and you're looking for angle A, so just go second tangent. So go second tangent because this is a tangent function, right? And this will give you 24.04, whatever, right? And so this will give you, if you run it off to the nearest one, so it will give you 24.0 degree. Okay. And to find B, you just go and use 90 minus that. So 90 minus 24 equal 66. Okay. And so that's it for number 9. Okay, 11. Okay, number 11. Okay, so same thing. So A, B, C. Now this one you want to give yourself a little bit more space because you have to use the DMS. Okay, again, angle C is 90 degrees. And over here, number 11, angle B is 63 degrees 20 minutes. Okay. And C equal to 392. Okay, so this one, to find angle A is going to be equal to 90 degrees minus, again, now this 90 is not because of that, okay, because these are complementary angles. So 90 minus 63 degrees 20 minutes. So make sure you know how to do that on the calculator. Now, so when you're doing this, you have to kind of, if you have the TI, you have to do this. You have to kind of go backwards. So first you have to type in 63.20. You have to convert to decimal degree. Okay. Then you're going to, then after that, you're going to put a negative in front of it. Okay. So that takes care of this part over here. Then you're going to add, and since this is, the 90 is plus, is positive, so you want to plus 90, and you push equal. Okay. Then you're going to convert to DMS. You can convert before you combine this, or you can do it after. It doesn't matter. Okay, so this will give you 26 degrees in 40 minutes. Okay, so this will be 26 degrees and 40 minutes. Okay. Now we can look for the other two. So this and this is giving, and this. So this will give you, this will be sine function. So sine A equal to A over C. So sine of 26 degrees 40 minutes equal to A over 392. Okay, so cross multiply. So A equal to 392 sine of 26 degrees 40 minutes. Okay, so you have to use that. And now if you started all over, then you have to do this. You have to 26.40, then you have to get the dt first, okay, and then you do sine function, and then you times it by 392, push equal. So A is going to be equal to 175.9. So again, 3 digits, so you got 176. Okay. Now you're going to do the same thing for B. So B, this is what you're looking for, and this is giving. So this would be your sine function. Okay, I'm going to come over here. So sine A equal to B over C. So sine of 26 degrees 40 minutes equal to B over 392. Okay? And after that, you cross multiply, cross this first. So B equal to 392 sine of 26 degrees 40 minutes. Oh, wait, this is cosine. B over C is cosine. Sorry about that. It's cosine. Cosine. Yeah, B over C, this is cosine. So B equal to, okay, so 26.40, again, you have to get into the decimal degree, push cosine, times it by 392, equal, okay, 350. Okay, so you get 350. Okay, and that's it. Okay. Yeah, so again, this B over C is cosine. Okay. Okay, let's go to the next one. Okay, number 13. Okay, so you got A, B, C. Okay, so number 13, angle A is 12 degrees 30 minutes, and A equal to 1.34. Okay, so again, we can find the angle B first. Okay, so B is going to be equal to 90 degrees minus 12 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, so you got 12.30. Okay, and again, because you have to get into dd, and then this is the negative, so put a negative in front, and now you're going to plus 90. So I'm working backward because that's the way the calculator is. Okay, and then from there you can go and convert into DMS. Okay, so B equal to 77 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, so now we can go ahead and, so this is giving, and C equal to 1.34. So A and C, this is a sine function. So sine A equal to A over C. So sine of 12 degrees 30 minutes equal to A over 1.34. Okay, so cross multiply, so cross this way first. So A equal to 1.34 times sine of 12 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, so 12.30, get into dd first, then go sine, then times it by 1.34. A equal to 0.290. Okay, and you want to have a 0 in the end because there are 3 digits, right? So you want to do three significant digits. Okay. Okay, double check. okay, back. Okay, A is 1.34. Sorry about that. A equal to 1.34. I have this backward. Okay, so cross multiply. You have C. Yeah, I have this backwards. So cross multiply. So C sine of 12 degrees 30 minutes equal to 1.34. There you go. Then divide. So C equal to 1.34 divided by sine of 12 degrees 30 minutes. Okay, there we go. Okay, so get your calculator. So this is when TI is going to be a little bit complicated because of this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bottom first. So I need to get my degree first, so 12.30, and I have to get that. Okay, so I get a degree, then I have to take the sine of that. Okay, and since this is on the bottom, I have to flip it over. So I'm going to do 1 over x. Okay, so flip it over and I have to times it by 1.34. So TI is kind of a little bit primitive, so it's a little bit tricky when you have this kind of situation. Okay, so you got 6.19. Okay. And so C equal to 6.19. There you go. Okay. And then from here you have to look for B. So the relation between, so this is giving, okay, and the relation between that is tangent. So you have to do tangent A equal to A over B, substituting the number. So tangent of 12 degrees, 30 minutes, equal to 1.34 over B, cross multiply. Okay, and you divide to get rid of the tangent. Okay. Now, if you know this is 12.5 degrees, then it'll be a little bit easier to divide. Okay, so you can just go 1.34 divided by 12.5 tangent equal, let's give you 6.04. If not, then you have to go through the whole process of doing the reciprocal thing. Okay, so B equal to 6.04. There you go. Okay, number 15. Okay, C is 90 degrees, angle A is 40 degrees 50 minutes, and B equal to 52.5. Okay, so first let's go and get the angle B. Okay, so 40.50, okay, dd, then negative, plus 90 equal, and you convert back into DMS. So 49.10. Okay. So from here to find A, this would require tangent function. So tangent A equal to A over B. So substitute. So tangent of 40 degrees 50 minutes equal to A over B, which is 52.5. So cross multiply, cross this way first. So A equal to 52.5 tangent of 40 degrees 50 minutes. Okay, again, because of the degree. So that's, I don't really like the DMS because it's a bit harder to do. And so in this situation, you just have to work backward. Okay. Okay, so you have 40.50 convert to decimal degree. Then you take the tangent of that then you have to times it by 52.5, push equal. So A equal to 45.4. Now, if you use Pythagorean Theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared, your answer is going to be off a little bit more because this is already off a little bit, and so this is going to be off even more. Okay, so that's something you have to watch for. So it's better to go and just use the trig function. So these two, it will be cosine. So cosine of A equal to B over C. So cosine of 40 degrees 50 minutes equal to 52.5 over C. Okay. So cross multiply. So C cosine of 40 degrees 50 minutes equal to 52.5. And you divide. So C equal to 52.5 divided by cosine of 40 degrees 50 minutes. Okay, so again, this is going to be reciprocal thing, so it's going to be complicated. So I can have to. That's one thing I don't like about TI. When you have this kind of situation, you have to go backward. Okay, so you got 40.50. Again, you have to convert to decimal degree. Then you take the cosine of that, and since this is on the bottom, you have to do the reciprocal 1 over that, times it by 52.5 equal. So you get 69.4. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 17. Okay, number 17. So you have this triangle over here. So this is 10 and this is 16. Well, if this is 10, this is 16, so this would be 8 and 8. Okay? And so you're looking for the angles. I'm going to call this A, B, C. Okay, you're looking for angle. Okay, so by using this over here, this is the tangent A is equal to this over there, equal to 10 over 8. Okay, so from here you can go and find angle A already. And so you can use decimal degree, so that's kind of nice. Okay, so you go 10 divided by 8 equal second tangent. This will give you 51.3 degrees. Okay, so angle A is going to be 51.3 degrees. And since these are isosceles triangles, so it's going to be the same. Okay. And to find C, okay, remember the three angles in a triangle is equal to 180. So you go 180 minus 51.3 times 2. Okay, so this will give you 77.4 degrees. And that's it. Okay. Okay, let's go to number 19. A. Oh, okay, so you have okay, so this is 1, and you're looking for the perimeter of the pentagon. Okay, so you're looking for, this is x, so you need to look for 5x. Okay, you know what? Let's do this. Make this 2x, so you don't have to deal with. Okay. Okay. So well, if it's a pentagon, this is 360. So 360 divided by 5. There's 5 central angles. Okay, so 360 divided by 5 equal to 72. So this is 72. Right? Again, this is 360 divided by 5 give you 72. So this would be 36, 36. Okay, and therefore this angle would be 90 minus 36 equal to 54. Okay. Okay, so these are 54 degrees. So to find x, so this is 54 degrees. Okay, so so this is your cosine function. So cosine of 54 degrees equal to x over 1. Okay, so x will equal to, so you get 54 cosine. So x will equal to 0.5878. Okay, so the parameter is going to equal to 10x. Okay, because there are 2x on each side, right? X is just the half. Okay, so the parameter will equal to times. So this number you times it by 10 equal to 5.8. And how many decimal? Okay, so it's, okay, you can run at 5.88. Okay. Okay, for the b, is the other way around. Okay. Okay, so you have this kind of situation. And now this is 1, okay? So again, we did earlier, this is 36 degrees, this is 54 degrees, okay? And so, so this is the x now, okay? Okay, so now you have to use the tangent. So tangent of 54 degrees equal to 1 over x, okay? So do the flipping, so x will equal to 1 over tangent of 54 degrees. So x equal to, so 54 tangent, 1 over that, equal to 0.7265. So perimeter equal to 10x. So perimeter equal to 7.27. Okay, and that's it.